Ever wondered if eating carrots really sharpens your eyesight? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Today, we're peeling back the layers of some of the most tantalizing food myths. From the magical allure of superfoods to the controversial world of detox diets and the heated debates over gluten-free living, organic versus conventional produce, the role of carbs, and the dairy dilemma. We're diving deep into each topic, armed with facts straight from culinary experts and nutritionists. Stick around as we slice through these myths with some expert insights. First up, are superfoods really the superheroes of nutrition? In recent years, the term superfoods has become a dazzling beacon in the world of health and wellness. These are foods that are purported to be nutritional powerhouses, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. From blueberries and kale to quinoa and acai, they're often touted as the magic bullets of health. But let's peel back the layers of this trendy term. When we sat down with a seasoned nutritionist, it became clear that while these foods are indeed nutritious, they aren't the cure-alls they're often made out to be. For instance, blueberries are celebrated for their antioxidant properties, which are great for health, but they're not a standalone solution for a healthy life. Our expert emphasized that no single food can provide everything the body needs. It's all about the bigger picture. Think of it like a team sport. While having a star player is fantastic, the real success comes from the team working together. Similarly, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients from different sources is what truly supports overall health. Moreover, focusing too heavily on superfoods can lead to neglecting other essential foods that are also rich in nutrients. It's important to remember that ordinary fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins all play a vital role in our diets. So it turns out, the real superpower lies in variety, not just superfoods. Moving on to detox diets. Do our bodies really need help cleansing? In the whirlwind of health trends, detox diets have soared in popularity, promising to purge your body of toxins and lead to miraculous health benefits. These diets are often showcased as the ultimate cleanse. But let's sift through the hype and get to the core of these claims. Interviewing a seasoned dietitian sheds light on this topic. They emphasize that the human body is a marvel of biological engineering, equipped with its own highly efficient detox system. The liver, kidneys, and even the skin are designed to filter out and eliminate toxins without any external coaxing. However, the allure of quick fixes often overshadows this biological fact. Detox diets, which range from consuming exclusively juices to restrictive meal plans, can sometimes do more harm than good. The dietitian warns that such extreme dietary limitations can deprive the body of essential nutrients and disrupt metabolic balance. Furthermore, the rapid weight loss that some people experience is typically temporary, and primarily due to loss of water and muscle mass, rather than fat. The conversation turns to the psychological impact, where the promise of detoxification can be psychologically appealing, providing a sense of control and a fresh start. Yet, the physical benefits remain questionable at best. In conclusion, while the idea of detoxing might seem enticing, it's clear that our bodies have the detox department covered all on their own. Next, let's unravel the gluten-free trend. Health necessity or just a fad? In recent years, grocery aisles have expanded dramatically with products proudly sporting gluten-free labels. From breads and pastas to snacks and even beverages, it seems gluten has become public enemy number one. But what's really behind this surge in gluten-free diets? To get to the bottom of this, we spoke with a noted gastroenterologist, Dr. Emily Saunders. Dr. Saunders began by clarifying who truly needs to avoid gluten. Gluten-free diets are essential for people with celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder where gluten leads to severe intestinal damage. It's also beneficial for those with non-celiac gluten sensitivity who experience symptoms like bloating, headaches, or fatigue after consuming gluten. However, Dr. Saunders pointed out a crucial misconception. Many people believe that going gluten-free is inherently healthier and can lead to weight loss or increased energy. This isn't necessarily true. Gluten itself isn't unhealthy. It's simply a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. She further explained that for individuals without gluten-related disorders, The benefits of a gluten-free diet are often not related to the absence of gluten itself, but rather to an overall more mindful approach to eating and perhaps eliminating processed foods. In conclusion, unless you're among the small percentage of the population genuinely affected by gluten, there's no clear health advantage to avoiding it. So unless medically advised, it seems gluten might just stay on the menu. Is organic produce a healthier choice, or is it just about how it's grown? When you stroll down the produce aisle, you're greeted with labels, organic and conventional. Each has its own appeal, but what really sets them apart? Let's dig a little deeper into their farming methods and impacts on nutrient content. Organic farming emphasizes the use of natural substances and physical, mechanical, or biologically based farming methods to the fullest extent possible. Conventional farming, on the other hand, often relies on chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers to enhance growth and reduce pests. Now, one might wonder, does this difference in farming methods affect the nutritional content of the produce? According to some studies, organic foods may contain slightly higher levels of certain nutrients, such as antioxidants. However, the differences are often not significant enough to have a major impact on overall health. We caught up with an agricultural scientist who shared, "The nutrient content of a fruit or vegetable can be influenced by many factors other than whether it is grown organically or conventionally. These include the variety of the plant, soil quality, weather conditions, and when the produce is harvested." So, is organic produce worth the often higher price tag? For some, the lower pesticide residue and environmental sustainability are important factors. For others, conventional produce serves their nutritional needs just as well. Looks like the choice between organic and conventional might just boil down to personal preference. Carbohydrates, villains or vital? Let's dig into the facts. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap in the world of dieting and wellness, painted as the primary culprits behind weight gain and health issues. But is there truth to this widespread notion? Are all carbs created equal? Let's break it down. Carbohydrates are one of the fundamental food groups vital to a healthy diet. They are the body's main source of energy. Every time you enjoy a slice of bread, a bowl of pasta, or even a piece of fruit, you're fueling your body with the energy it needs to function throughout the day. However, not all carbs are the same. They can be broadly categorized into simple and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbs, found in foods like candy and sodas, are quickly absorbed and provide bursts of energy. On the other hand, complex carbs, which include whole grains and legumes, digest slowly and offer a more sustained energy release. We spoke with a nutritionist who emphasized the importance of focusing on the quality and quantity of carbohydrates consumed. It turns out that integrating a balanced amount of high-quality complex carbs can actually enhance your health, aiding in better blood sugar control and providing essential nutrients and fiber. So before you decide to cut all carbs from your diet, remember that they're not just empty calories. They're an essential part of a balanced diet, important for both energy and overall health. Carbs are not foes. They fuel our bodies. It's the type and amount that matter. Finally, let's pore over the truth about dairy. The dairy aisle at any grocery store is a testament to its popularity. From milks to cheeses, yogurts, and beyond, dairy products are a staple in many diets around the globe. But as much as it's adored, dairy often finds itself at the center of controversy, with debates swirling about its health benefits and potential drawbacks. First, let's tackle the benefits. Dairy is celebrated for being a rich source of calcium, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. It's also packed with protein, essential for muscle repair and growth, and it provides other vital nutrients such as vitamin D, potassium, and phosphorus. However, not everyone can enjoy a glass of milk without consequences. For those with lactose intolerance, consuming dairy can lead to uncomfortable digestive issues. This has led to the rise of numerous dairy alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk, which aim to provide similar nutritional benefits without the lactose. We spoke with an endocrinologist who highlighted that while dairy can be part of a healthy diet, it's not essential for everyone. The key is to understand your body's needs and how it reacts to different foods. For those who choose to skip dairy, it's important to seek out other sources of the nutrients it provides. In conclusion, dairy products can have a place in a balanced diet, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you're sipping on cow's milk or a dairy-free alternative, what matters most is ensuring a varied and balanced intake of nutrients. Dairy or no dairy, ensuring you get your nutrients is what's crucial. Well, that was quite the feast of information. We've sliced through the layers of dietary myths and served up some hearty truths with the help of our culinary experts and nutritionists. Let's take a moment to digest everything we've uncovered today. Starting with superfoods, while they are packed with nutrients, remember, no one food can unlock the secret to optimal health. A varied and balanced diet? Now that's truly super. Moving on to detox diets, our bodies are already equipped with powerful detoxifiers like the liver and kidneys. Most detox regimens, unnecessary and potentially disruptive. And what about going gluten-free? Unless you're among the few with specific health conditions like celiac disease, gluten is not the villain it's often made out to be. As for organic versus conventional produce, the nutritional differences are minimal, though the farming practices do vary. Carbohydrates in dairy, meanwhile, are not inherently bad. It's all about the type and amount consumed. Remember, a well-rounded diet beats any myth. Keep questioning and stay healthy until we meet